Yeah. You ain't cool. I'm finna chase you.
No. Yeah. Are you the fight? What the heck?
I'm on Look, are you dumb? Look, you don't know what you started. I put the block and retarded. I got that dripping kid straight from the force. It's the D.O.D.O. They know where it started. Yeah, she wanna Netflix and chill. Fuck up the pill, go in the store, shop in Dior. Come to my crib, take all my shirts, pop on my perks, and sleep in my drawers. You talking too much, baby, pull up a four.
Welcome back to another brand new video. Before we start, the apps you need are displayed on screen: Pixart, Documents, Lumafusion, and YouTube. So the first thing you do is go into YouTube and search up Fortnite Cinematics, and MK13 Edit should pop up, and under most of the videos should have a link to his other videos to download all the Fortnite Cinematics. So you click on it, go into Chrome, Safari, or whatever browser you use. You click on the link, you copy it, and then you go to the Documents app, which you should have already downloaded. Go into browser, paste the link. After you've pasted the link, it should load up, and go to the bottom right, actually the bottom right, and it's like middle or bottom right. So you have access to all the cinematics you could ever need at full HD or 4K. So now this is how you export it to your photo gallery so you can use it to edit. So after that, now it's time to download some effects. So I go to YouTube, search up Neil Wing, scroll down until I found the YouTuber by the name of Nurse, click onto his video, and under his video there should be links on how to download the effects. It's on Google Drive, so it's the same as the video. Now it's time to get into the video editing part. So the app you're going to be using is called Lumafusion. Disclaimer, it does cost $30, but I am going to be giving away an iCloud that has Lumafusion already downloaded. So I'm going to choose 5 winners from my YouTube channel. So make sure to comment hashtag Lumafusion, and that I'll find you. And the first thing I always add is my audio, because that sets the tone of how you're going to edit the video. So when I add the audio, I always make sure to put a transition at the beginning to make it sound more smooth and not just forced in. So listen in. As you just heard, the sound started low and gained traction as it went higher. So now the second thing I'm going to add is my cinematics. So I add, and I always don't forget to add the transition to make it look smooth. And then I go into speed settings and make it a little bit faster, so like it's more fast paced. So after adding my clip and trying to sync it with the audio, the second thing I always do is go into my settings and go into the last tab called color and effects, and on like the first, second, or third one, you can just play around with it. I usually use SAT 130 to just make it look a bit brighter, like the colors are like more poppy. They don't care about you, the way that I do. All the things that I know that your parents don't. They don't care about you, the way that the way that I do. So after that, now it's time to make my video look like stretch res. If you are a previous subscriber, you probably noticed that my video looks like I play on stretch res. On my TV, I do play on stretch res. It's like a setting you have to play with, and maybe I can make that into another video. So what I do is that after I've done that, I always press like the little star button, like the little star and the plus sign. You do that. That's like it's called a preset. So that means if you want to do it to another clip, you don't have to like manually do it every time. So maybe for like your audio or something like that, you can like make a preset so you don't have to do it every time. And always make sure to try sync the clips with your beat drop. And to make like a shake effect, you have to cut the clip right before your shot shoots, and maybe like a few milliseconds right before it shoots. So to make the blur effect, you can just watch this little clip and just see how you do it. I told you that I need you. Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I need
that you need me to. But if I told you that I love you, hey, when you told me that you love me, was I a fool to believe in you?
And now after making the blur effect, there's like a thing you can do to make like the string shake a little bit. So also watch and just follow.
Told me that you want me. Did you really want me? Or was this all a joke to you? I don't wanna say I miss you if I don't know that you miss me back. I don't wanna say the wrong thing. If I do, there's no coming back. But if I told you that I need you, would you tell me that?
So after you're always done, always make sure to watch your clip back to make sure if you spot any mistakes. So I do this about 2 or 3 times, trying to like make sure the beat matches and everything, because a little thing a subscriber can actually pick that up. So always make sure to take your time, don't ever rush it, and trust me, it'll be worth it at the end.
I wish I told you that I loved you. Now it's too late, you have someone new. I hope he loves you like I do. Do you love the way he's treating you?
And quick note, make sure to choose your clips very carefully. Your first clip should probably be one of like your very good clips. That's probably like a hook. So like tell us like a future subscriber or already a subscriber that the video's actually pretty good to watch. So like, your first clip should be like a hook, and as the video goes on, make sure to put like some semi-good clips right in the middle, and maybe like as like a really good beat drop, like a really good clip, like for this one right here. So I dropped and just freaking timed the shot and just hit him for like a 120 headshot. So always make sure to like place your clips very, very, very specifically. If you place a bad clip in the beginning, nobody's gonna watch the full of your video. And watch time is really good for recommendation if you want to get a lot of views. And the thumbnail as well, make sure everything is spot on. Always make sure to put the really good clip in the beginning, semi-good clips in the middle, and for a beat drop, use a very good clip. That's like the climax. So the beginning to the climax, it keeps building up, and like in the beat drop, everything should just fit in perfectly, and your video should be good to go. You should have a decent amount of views, and that should be it.
We used to run red lights and never look back.
So again, I am gonna add the shake effect to be like really dramatic. So I've already shown how to do it earlier, but you can watch it again and follow every step by the way, because one little mistake can just screw everything up. And to make it look a little bit more dramatic, I cut the clip as you see right before I shoot it. It's on normal. So you cut the clip right a few seconds before you shoot. You cut it again right before you shoot, and the other clip should be good. So after that, the first clip should be on Noir, which I already showed before. And now I'm gonna add like an effect that I showed how to download earlier. So after you've done that, make sure to put it on screen. And make sure the black background goes away. So just watch everything. Like if you can copy it if you want, but you can use this for any effect that have this neon. And to make like the sound like you're underwater for like a little bit, put it on low pass filter. Make sure to press the star to save the preset. You can use it for any other clips. So make sure you follow everything word for word, and your video you should have a really banger video. I hope everybody has watched this video to all the way over here. I am not the best tutor, so I might just sound a little bit more nervous or like not very descriptive. But if you don't want to listen to my voice, you can just watch the whole video, copy everything, and you should be chilling. You should have a banger video. You should have a lot of views, and I wish everybody good luck. And make sure to comment hashtag Lumafusion to be one of the 5 winners that's gonna win a free Lumafusion to download. So the way it's gonna work is I'm gonna choose 5 winners in my next video, and each of you is gonna get. I'm gonna DM each of you personally. Oh, and make sure to put your contact information like Twitter, Instagram, or anything, Snapchat even. Put it under so I can contact you individually. Send you the iCloud, and you can download the app, and you should log out of it, and you should be good. So thank you everybody for coming this far. Hope you have a great and wonderful day, and thank you for the recent support on my last video. I was able to hit 100 views in 8 hours and 200 views in 24 hours, a new record for me. So thank you for the constant support, and have a good day.
If only I could, but baby I can't. So I'ma scream, shout, let it all out, and scream and shout, and let it all out for you, for you. So I'ma scream, shout, let it all out, and scream and shout.
shout.